What if you could learn a few simple social skills to make women irresistibly drawn to you? Skills that magnetically capture their attention, spark deep connections, and leave them craving more time together. Good news. Any man can become this captivating by honing certain traits that naturally attract women. Today, I'll reveal 10 powerful social skills that make women addicted to you. Master these relationship skills, and soon she'll constantly crave being in your orbit. Ready to unlock your most attractive self and have women hooked on spending time together? Let's jump in. And if you're new, welcome to the Woman Signals. Be sure to subscribe for daily dating advice. Skill number 1. Master the art of flirtatious teasing. Flirtatious teasing, when executed with finesse, can be a powerful tool to create a lively and fun dynamic between you and a woman. The key is to keep it lighthearted, focusing on playful banter rather than hurtful remarks. By teasing in a playful manner, you can build electric tension that adds excitement to your interactions. Choose light topics for teasing, such as poking fun at her unique laugh or her love for scary movies. The goal is to signal your interest while maintaining a positive and enjoyable atmosphere. When done right, flirtatious teasing becomes a shared experience that both of you can enjoy. It creates a sense of connection and adds an element of playfulness to your conversations. Pay attention to her reactions. If she responds positively and engages in the banter, it's a good sign that she appreciates your sense of humor and may be developing a crush. Keep the teasing good-natured, and you'll find that it can be a valuable skill in building attraction. Skill number 2. Remember important details about her. Demonstrating your ability to remember important details about a woman is a key skill that shows you genuinely care. When engaging in conversations, take note of significant facts she shares, whether it's her favorite foods, dream vacations, or the challenges she faces at work. Bringing up these details in later conversations showcases your exceptional listening skills. It goes beyond just recalling information. It sends a powerful message that you value what she shares with you. When she realizes you remember the things that matter to her, it creates a unique connection and makes her feel truly seen and appreciated. This skill is about more than just memory. It's about demonstrating thoughtfulness and a genuine interest in her life. When you show that you pay attention to the details, it sets you apart and contributes to building a deeper, more meaningful connection. Skill number 3. Have an adventurous, bold spirit. Embracing an adventurous and bold spirit is a magnetic quality that captivates women. When you share stories of your daring escapades like skydiving adventures, spontaneous road trips, or trying exotic meals, it ignites a sense of excitement and curiosity. The allure lies in your boldness and your willingness to embrace life's adventures. Your adventurous spirit becomes a source of fascination, making you more captivating in her eyes. By expressing your love for trying new things and stepping out of your comfort zone, you create an environment where she envisions experiencing thrilling moments with you. Women are naturally drawn to individuals who bring a sense of excitement and novelty into their lives. Your adventurous spirit becomes a magnetic force, and she'll find herself addicted to the idea of sharing new and exhilarating experiences with you. It's about creating a connection through shared enthusiasm for life's adventures, making you stand out as someone she wants to explore the world with. Skill number 4. Ask thoughtful, engaging questions. Setting yourself apart from the crowd involves more than just talking about yourself. Cultivate a magnetic appeal by asking thoughtful, engaging questions that go beyond the surface. Dive into discussions about her passions, values, and dreams, expressing a genuine curiosity about her inner world. Many people appreciate being seen and heard, and your ability to initiate meaningful conversations will make you stand out. Your thoughtful questions create a connection that goes beyond casual chatter, demonstrating a sincere interest in getting to know her on a deeper level. This skill sets the stage for a more meaningful connection, making her feel valued and understood. By showing a desire to explore her thoughts and feelings, you become a rare and magnetic presence in her life. Skill number 5. Initiate exciting random adventures. Shake up the ordinary by proposing spontaneous adventures. Think midnight beach bonfires, exploring new hiking trails, or attending a pop-up art show. Initiating these unplanned escapades bonds you and creates a unique sense of shared experiences. Embarking on exciting adventures together adds a thrilling dimension to your connection. The anticipation and joy of discovering new things with you become unforgettable moments she'll eagerly look forward to. These impromptu outings break the monotony, infusing your relationship with spontaneity and excitement. Your ability to initiate such adventures showcases a creative and dynamic side, making you a source of thrill and anticipation in her life. Skill number 6. Master confident body language. Forge a magnetic connection by mastering confident body language. Women are drawn to men who exude leadership qualities through their posture. Stand tall, maintain strong eye contact, utilize relaxed gestures, and assertively take up space in your surroundings. Confident body language not only showcases your self-assurance but also enhances your allure. By embodying confidence, you create an environment of safety and comfort around you. Your bold presence becomes a source of attraction, and she'll find herself yearning to bask in the assurance and charisma you radiate. This skill transforms you into a captivating figure, fostering a deeper connection through the unspoken language of confident gestures and stances. Skill number 7. Perfect being an attentive listener. Unlock the power of attentive listening to distinguish yourself from a crowd. While many men listen half-heartedly, your commitment to giving her undivided attention makes her feel genuinely heard and understood. Mastering the art of listening becomes your unique skill, setting you apart in her eyes. She'll find herself hooked on the euphoric rush of being fully seen and valued by you. The ability to pick up on subtle cues and engage in meaningful conversations creates a profound connection. Your attentive approach fosters an environment where she feels acknowledged, reinforcing the bond and leaving her eager for more moments of genuine connection with you. Skill number 8. Complement her personality and intelligence. Elevate your compliments beyond the surface level by acknowledging her creativity, resilience, kindness, or insights. Unlike typical remarks, recognizing her as a whole person adds a genuine touch to your praise. When you express admiration for her exceptional inner qualities, it signals that you truly see and appreciate her. This unique approach to complimenting creates a profound impact, making her feel deeply valued and understood. She'll find herself desperately seeking this distinctive feeling that only you, with your ability to recognize and celebrate her genuine self, can provide. It fosters a connection that goes beyond the ordinary, leaving her captivated by the sincerity of your appreciation. Skill number 9. Display your wit and humor. Delight her with amusing stories, jokes about everyday mishaps, and lively banter, ensuring your humor uplifts without crossing into hurtful territory. Being a source of laughter and joy makes you exceptional company. Your wit creates an atmosphere of fun and lightness, leaving her craving the endorphin rush you provide by consistently cracking her up. Making life more enjoyable through shared laughter becomes a unique aspect of your connection, and she'll find herself drawn to the positive energy you bring. This skill not only showcases your entertaining side but also establishes a delightful dynamic that contributes to the overall appeal of your companionship. Skill number 10. Cultivate relaxed, suave self-confidence. Stand out by cultivating a relaxed, suave self-confidence that doesn't tip into arrogance. Women are drawn to men who exude quiet confidence and self-acceptance, showcasing an authenticity that is inherently attractive. Your poise becomes magnetic, creating an atmosphere of understanding and security. When you carry yourself with a graceful air of assurance, she'll be captivated by the genuine and self-assured energy you bring into the relationship. This skill goes beyond surface-level confidence. It reflects an inner ease and self-acceptance that sets you apart, making her feel a profound connection to your authentic and composed persona. There you have it, 10 powerful social skills that make women addicted to you. By mastering flirtatious charm, boldness, attentiveness, and confidence, you become a captivating partner she eagerly anticipates time with. Soon, she won't be able to get enough. Your blend of charisma, adventurousness, and emotional intelligence will make you her new addiction. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more advice on enticing women. I love reading your insights in the comments. Feel free to share this video with others who may need it. And if you want to show extra support, use the Super Thanks feature. It really helps me make more content like this. I appreciate you. Looking forward to our next time together. Until then, excited to hear about you out there charming ladies left and right with these magnetic skills.